Hi, Srijit. Yes, we
Hi, hi.
can hear you. Srijit, can you just bring your laptop screen down a little bit? Yeah, perfect, perfect. That's good. That's good. All right, Siddhi.
Thank you for selecting me.
Shilpa,
It's a
what's
wonderful.
that? Most welcome. I'm going to mute myself. Take it away.
Hi, Srijit.
Hello, Siddhi.
Hi.
Hi.
Um, okay. All right. So is there any area of your life that needs scanning? Or do you want me to state?
Yes, and the main concern I'm having is regarding my work. I need to. Mm, I'm actually trying to figure out my life purpose and not finding it. Not being able to pinpoint exactly where, and I've not been able to get myself together in terms of my routine, etc. I'm kind of time seems to be just going away. Days are passing, and so that's my concern regarding my workspace, and basically that's the main concern. So what do you see?
Do you think your work is not in synchronization with your life purpose?
Yes, to some extent, yes.
Um, do you have a habit of scrutinizing something very, very deeply
Yes.
to a point जो in हिंदी भी से गड़े मुर्दे भी उखाड़ते हैं हम लोग.
When something happens, I tend to worry a lot, that kind of thing.
Dream deep into matters. Right?
Hmm.
To a point, you put yourself into a state that you start getting confused. You like the confused state of yours. You don't realize maybe, but you put yourself into a state where you get very, very confused. Right
Hmm.
now, also, I see a lot of confusion energies around you.
Right, right.
Does your stomach often has issues?
Yes, yes. Constipation.
Even acidity that comes up till your throat?
Yes.
Do you hate easy life, or there's some block you have that you have created towards leading an easy life?
Block? No, no, I don't have any block. I'm
I
happy
see
to
that
lead an
you
easy
have
life.
created a block. You love it, you want to live it, but there is a limitation you have created. So I would want you to first of all, sorry, I would want you to first of all get into understanding there is one limiting pattern you have. So identify. Apart from that, about your life purpose, I'll come to that point. You might not need a lot of help with energies, but you just need to go ahead and connect with your higher self
Right.
and simplify a few things for your own self, because your own limit, once you identify and become aware of, you will be able to negate it. That is one. And number two, sometimes you feel disconnected with your own self is the issue. You need to give time to yourself and connect with your higher self. That will give you all the answers, not only in terms of life path, the kind of dissatisfaction you're feeling at work, the kind of disconnect you're feeling with your colleagues also will be dissolved with this.
Hmm. Right. Because colleagues, I mean, I've not been working for several years, so yeah.
Yeah. So that shows that sort of disconnect. So maybe that disconnect came from you might not be working with colleagues or work, because I could seriously not see anyone in your space. And I could see you detached from a lot of people.
Detached. Hmm. Now, what about you're saying now the say negative energy? Someone's trying to play some negative energy on my mind. Sometimes I feel that. Do you feel
Okay, let me check. It is only through thoughts.
that? Okay.
And the kind of other psychic energies in your space, what you can do is take 3 tablets of camphor, 3 cloves, move them around your head 7 times, and just let them burn in front of you. It will go. It's not very difficult to let go of them.
3 clocks.
Three camphor tablets,
Hmm. Right.
3 whole cloves. Um,
Close. Acha, acha.
um,
Long.
Close.
long. Yes, thank you. Yeah. Take them and rotate clockwise 7 times. Let them
Okay.
burn in your space.
After
You
that, I
can
burn
also
them.
in
After
front of you.
I burn them in a small container or something.
Yeah, a mitti diya or something like that you take, burn it inside. Let it be burned fully, completely. Apart from that, in your space, keep a ghee diya. Sit next to a ghee diya for at least half an hour. Like don't sit very close, but 2 feet away is good in any direction. For half an hour, at least spend time like that.
Once, just once.
And sorry, just once in
After
a day. Once in a day.
once a day. Okay. For
Yeah.
how long? For how long?
30 minutes.
No, for how long? How
But
many days?
Minimum 21 days. Do it and see how certain chakras unblock and show a difference. And especially if there's a time of the day you're feeling more stressed, you should do
Okay.
it at that point of time. Yeah.
Okay.
And try and include yellows in your life.
Include yellows. Because I tend to have blue as my favorite color. I keep doing everything is blues.
Sorry, can you speak slightly louder?
No, I'm saying I tend to use a lot of blue in my life. I find blue is lucky. But you're saying
Yeah,
yellow also. Mhm.
yes. It'll balance it out.
thanks so much, Siddhi. Thank you,
Thank
Srijit.
you so much. Thank you.
Again, another example where I just watched Siddhi say things, and then Srijit was saying, yes, 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 that's true, that's true, that's true. A whole bunch. I'm amazed. Like, I want to highlight to everybody that this exercise is not just for you all to understand, to experience it, but to understand that you can learn this yourself, and you would be able to do this yourself, for others around. What an incredible tool and technique to have. Imagine, like, somebody's unwell in your family, or somebody's going through some sort of a financial or other issue, and you can just tap into this technique and use it to find out where the problem is sitting actually, and be able to also come up. Siddhi, all the remedies that you're sharing, these are the type of remedies that you will teach as well in your workshop?
Yes, yes, these are just some of them. So for every chakra, what kind of remedies one could go ahead and give?
Hmm.
There's an entire chart, entire list of it, which will be handed over along with
Wow.
the other